Good evening, Tatum. This really is the beginning of the end for this deadly virus. And of course, a historic day for the 5 doctors and nurses who were the first to receive the new COVID-19 vaccine. They tell us that they're just honored to be a part of this moment. With all the skepticism about this vaccine coming out faster than any other in history, Gero Peterson wanted to set an example for his patients.
To remember that, to me, it's a way of protecting myself, but also protecting people you love, you care about, protecting the people you work with, and above all, so it's one way of protecting the community of everything. So that's what it means to me.
As for Bhagati, she says that we haven't had the means to fight COVID-19 until now.
We have a great tool in the form of a vaccine that the FDA approved as very safe and effective with close to 95% efficacy. The vaccine is going to only be impactful if we could get the upwards of 70% of our population vaccinated.
It's a sentiment John Peterson agrees with, saying this is the only way we can get past the pandemic.
If you want to get past COVID, this is really the way. There's no medication out there that is going to prevent it, and there's not really any effective medications to change the course of the disease if you happen to be someone who's unlucky enough to have a serious case.
And even though there may be side effects, Tracy Hull says that's nothing compared to the disease itself.
You may have a headache, you may have pain at the injection site, you may have some fatigue, but you know, all those compared to what COVID really actually does to you is nothing compared to that. So I would encourage everybody to get the vaccine.
For Bridget Castillo, she fixated on one thing now that the vaccine is out: hope.
To me, it means there's hope at this kind of coming to an end. You know, we've been fighting this for a while now, and everyone's tired of it. But now, you know, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, which gives me hope.
Now, we still don't know when the next group of people will start receiving the vaccine, or even when that next batch of vaccines will come in for this second group of people, but we'll keep you updated when we learn a little bit more about that. Reporting live from Midland Memorial Hospital, Jonathan Polasic, News West 9.